Video in the sense video won't be there, but screen sessions will be there. Screen recordings will be there. Okay, I mean screen sharing will be there because I as of now I haven't shared, so that's the reason you are unable to see. I will share my
Sir,
screen. Don't worry about it.
sir, there is no screening. Hi, sir. Good morning. There is no screening.
I didn't get you
Hello,
again.
sir.
Just a minute. Actually, guys, somewhere in
I
back
can
end I'm
see now.
getting.
I can
Okay,
see.
sir.
Everybody mute yourself first. Hello, guys. Everybody mute yourself first. Everybody. So yeah, now tell me, guys. Someone asking something?
Good morning, sir.
Okay. So are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay, that's great. Yeah. So definitely, guys, whoever joined newly, ping me on this number. Okay, this is my number. So I have already one WhatsApp group. There I will add you, and you will get recordings also. Don't worry about that. You can, maybe I'll call you whenever I am free if you ping me. Okay, this is my number. Note down it, guys. Ping me. You can ping me on this number. Whoever joined newly, ping me on this number, guys. I'll add you into my WhatsApp group. So have you noted, everybody?
Hi, Amar. Good morning. This is Vivek.
Hi Vivek. Good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, Amar. Thank you. And
Okay.
Amar, I have a doubt here. When I launched the putty, it was saying that is in inactive state. Can you help me with that?
Yeah, basically, so you're able to log in, but it's sometime later it's going to inactive state, right?
Yes.
So no problem. Just what will happen means if you're idle for some time, it will go to inactive session. You have to restart the session. That's it. So why? Because by default, the putty session has that setting. Okay. So if you idle
Okay.
for 5 minutes, something like that, it will be inactive session. You have to just right click on that white bar. You will be again prompted for username. Then again, as usual, you can use that putty session.
And
Okay.
I was confused in the before step, Amar. The step is we have to copy the IPv4 address and we have to go to the putty and we have to. Can you show me at that step, because I was struck at that step for me once again.
Yes, please share your screen. I'm giving presenter role to you. Please,
Sure.
I will show you. Anyway, we have new students also here, right? Quickly, I will show how to launch the EC2 instance one more time. Yeah, so
Yeah.
quickly, let me show you quickly. So launch instance. So guys, here, as I told, AWS is one of the cloud provider. Okay, so compulsory every project, every organization need their own data center previously. Okay, but maintaining our own data center is very costly. You need different teams to maintain that. Data center engineer, system engineer, storage admin, network admin, because all are different technologies. So that's where some cloud providers, some third party providers like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure Cloud, what they did, they created their own data center. They are giving a kind of renting, guys, renting their data centers to us. So they created one easy web application. That is what account. So there we registered. So I have my account now. So now I can launch my servers. I can use those data centers. So how much you use, that much you have to pay. What happened, Vivek? Yeah. So guys, here launch instance. So in Mumbai data center, now you are launching. You can see that at top right hand corner, it is there. So can you click on that Mumbai? See guys, there are so many data centers across the world. US 4 regions are there, 4 locations in US. In India, only 1 location, guys, as of now, Mumbai. So always you have to choose where your project from? Where is your project? I mean, is it India project? Is it UK project? Is it US project? Nearby location you have to choose always. Here our personal purpose we are using, so no problem. Where are you from, Vivek?
From India only.
Okay, then take Mumbai. Okay, in Mumbai data center I'm going to launch my server now. Yeah, go ahead. So what is Amazon Linux? I will tell you in today's class. Select it. Images you have to select, and always go with t2.micro. Don't select any other type. Why? Because so guys, you will get 1 GB RAM and 1 CPU here for t2.micro, which is already selected. If you practice purpose, this is enough, guys. As I told, AWS is not completely free of cost. It is only 750 hours, that to some of the services only free of cost. So please make sure that don't use the other type until unless I ask you. Okay, so go with review and launch. Now launch button. Yeah, here as I told, AWS won't provide the password. Instead of that, they are using some different key mechanism. So you have to generate that key. You have to select that key. Do you want to go with existing key pair or new key pair? Existing means it seems already Vivek has created first server. So that time already he created one key pair. So it is asking, let's go with a new key pair. No problem. Vivek, give some name, different name. Any name, your wish. Generally, we will give application name or team names. Okay, you have to remember those names. Download key pair. So one key pair you clear. So as name states, key pair means two keys will be there, public and private. I need a private key. Okay, save it. Now come down and launch instance. You haven't launched. So guys, as yesterday I already explained, I'm not deep digging into it. Just I'm showing just overview, high level. Go to services, EC2. Now you can see one more server as well. So my server ready, but password you need, right? So for that purpose, you have to use that first key. So you just now you downloaded one key, right? For the first time, open PuttyGen. Everybody, you should have Putty in your laptop. PuttyGen. Open PuttyGen. Click on load button. No, not generate. Cancel it. PuttyGen. Load button. Select. So here there is a filter tab. Yeah. Make it all files. Select I do. Yeah. Okay. Save private key. Yes. So save with the same name. Don't give any extension. Save with the same name. Yeah, close it. Done. I'm ready, guys. My server ready. My password also ready. My key also ready. Running instance. Select your server. So which server it is? The first server. It's initializing now. See. So first server is the latest server. So every server, as I told, a password is there. Yeah. Sorry, IP address will be there. Exactly. 65.0.109.16. Now I'm connecting from my laptop. In your laptop, you have to open Putty application. Putty, P-U-T-T-Y. Open it. Paste your IP address. And left hand side SSH. Authentication. Click on authentication itself. Yeah. Browse. Now you have to browse this second key. The PPK key just now you generated, right? That key you have to use. Select. Open. Yes. So EC2-user. That is a default username, guys. So this is Linux box. So we can launch as many as how many servers you need for your project. That many servers you can launch in AWS, guys. So for those servers, you will pay the month of again at month end, guys. Month end, you will get a again a bill for that. So you have to pay for that. See, I launched my second server now. See how easy it is. Hardly 2 minutes, guys. Within 2 minutes, your server will be ready. Okay, so this is one more advantage, guys. If it is your own data center, to get this server minimum, if hardware ready, 2 hours it will take. If hardware not ready, you have to request your data center engineer. Data center engineer should make it ready. So minimum it will take 1 week, guys. If it is your own data center. Oh, what happened? Why you are shutting down?
Actually, 2 servers are running now, Amar. So I was.
So you thought of deleting one server, huh?
Yeah,
But you
yes,
deleted
yes.
both.
Shit.
Okay, no problem. Quickly launch one more server. Meanwhile, yeah. So guys, in today's class, I'm going to show you why this Linux, what exactly Linux does, why we are going with Linux, and what are the different types of maybe distributions we have in Linux. Okay, those things and all I will show in today's class. So meanwhile, Vivek, you go ahead and launch your server. Keep it ready. I'll come back to you.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, this is my number as I told. Please ping me. Okay. So take it down, note it down, and ping me after the class. So I'll just clarify your doubts if you have any also. Okay. Now, actual class. So guys, anybody knows it? Why I'm going with Linux? Maybe why most of the organizations prefer OS is Linux. Any reason? Do you know that, guys?
It's open source.
Why should I go with Linux instead of Windows?
Since it's open source, we can go ahead with Linux.
Exactly. Open source. It's free of cost, guys. Linux is free of cost, not Windows. Windows is very costly actually. Microsoft, any product is costly only, guys. When compared to Linux, Microsoft products are very costly. You have to take the subscription. Even personal laptop itself, we cannot install official OS for Windows, guys. You have to pay for them. But real-time Linux is free of cost, open source, and secured. Secured when compared to Windows. Very less attacks, virus attacks. Okay, so in Windows, any third-party website if you use also, you'll get attacks, right? So secured. When compared to Linux or Windows, Linux is again, so performance also will be good, guys. Okay, this is the reason most of the organizations going with Linux instead of Windows. Okay, so next distribution list. Distribution. If I ask you what are the distributions we have in Windows, what are the distributions, guys? Windows XP, Windows 2000, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 2016. So all are different distributions. In the same way, in Linux also we do have the distributions, guys. In Linux also we do have the distributions. In Windows, in Linux also. There are different distributions, guys. Amazon Linux, Red Hat Linux, CentOS, Ubuntu, Fedora, SUSE, Solaris, IBM AX, HP UX, Kali. Like this, you can say, guys, number of distributions. There are like minimum 100 plus distributions are there, guys. Okay, so we cannot name all of them. 100 plus distributions are there for Linux, maybe Linux and Unix. So why this many distributions actually? And one more thing is, guys, all are owned by different companies. Like all Microsoft distributions are owned, Windows distributions are owned by Microsoft only, right? There is no other vendor. But here, all are owned by different company. This is owned by Amazon distribution. Okay, Red Hat is again one more distribution. CentOS, Red Hat, like again, both are kind of same distributions, guys. Okay, then Ubuntu, one more. Again, Fedora, SUSE, Solaris, IBM UX. See, it is IBM and it is HP product. like this, different companies developed these distributions. Why? How come? Why? Because guys, actually, initially it was Unix distribution, guys. So around 1990s or 2000, I don't know exact year. Okay, that point of time, Unix was developed first. This is the first operating system, first OS in like again in Unix distribution. From there only, guys, you got all these distributions. So it's a completely open source, guys. Open source means the programs maybe which you used to build this OS, you can modify them. Okay, you can tune. So generally Windows programs will be there under C drive program files. You cannot open them, guys. You cannot modify the Windows programs. But Linux, the source code, the kernel code, source code means, guys, main programming file. Okay, so that program files you can modify. That's where, guys, you got all these distributions. Everybody, even if I know programming, kernel programming, even I can tune myself, and I can build one more OS called Amar OS. I can launch into market. I can like distribute it to customers. Okay. Everybody, guys, mute yourself. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Always you have to take care about your surroundings. Okay. Yeah. So that is the reason, guys, this many distributions. So out of it, what are the distributions we use in our class or in real time? So guys, these four major contribution: Amazon Linux, Red Hat, Linux, CentOS, Ubuntu. These are the major contributions because of the easiness. Again, guys, again in Linux also there are different distributions. So there are some complexity distribution, complex distributions also there. Some paid distributions also there, guys. And these are completely free of cost. You no need to pay anything, maybe to use those operating systems. Free of cost, guys. Open source. Of course, if you need again support, that is out of matter. But at least these distributions are open source and very easy to manage. That is the reason we are using these distributions, guys. Easy configurations, maybe like easy to manage, easy to launch, easy to troubleshoot if anything. Even upgradations also we can do easily. That is the reason most of the organization, most of the engineers will prefer this distribution. In our class also, I am going to show all these four. Guys, every basics are same only. Nothing will be changed. So let's take Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. Basic things will be same. Only advanced features might be, additional features might be there. In your same concept here also, features are same, guys. If you know one distribution, definitely you can like manage other distributions also. So here we are going with first Amazon Linux. If you see, now I selected Amazon Linux distribution only. So which is managed by AWS, which is developed by AWS. Just few changes only, guys. Most of the things will be common every distribution. Okay, just few changes they made it, and they created Amazon Linux. Now I am using Amazon Linux only. I built one Linux in Mumbai data center. Okay, in that data center, I launched one operating system. Now I can install anything on top of operating system. I can install my application, DevOps tools, or your day-to-day life development tools, testing tools, or production servers. Anything I can manage there now. I can install, I can configure, so that my customer can use it. Okay. Now, okay, this is about distribution. Now let's start the actual class. Okay. So Vivek, can you please share your screen again? I'm giving presenter role to you. I hope you are ready with your EC2 instance. Hello, Vivek. Can you please share your screen? Yeah.
Just a minute, Amar.
Log into Putty session. And every time you no need to use the new key, Vivek. You can use the old keys also. Generally, how do we select the keys means it's based on team. If you are giving the server for same team means I will use the same key already, whatever the key they have. I no need to regenerate one more key. I can go with existing keys. It seems you are generating every time new key, that PEM keys. And maybe meanwhile, guys, if anybody ready also, we can go with them. Anybody ready with your session?
Amar, just a minute,
Yes.
Amar.
Yes.
Yeah,
I am ready, Amar.
I am confused at this part only. After generation of the putty key, you have to click SSH and authorization. We have to
Yes.
browse for the private key only, right?
Private key only.
Yeah, whenever I
You
was unable
haven't
to open.
provided. You haven't provided IP. I think so. Scroll up. No need to close. Copy the IP address. In putty, multiple tabs are there, right? First, you have to provide IP address. Go to SSH, authentication. Now browse your key. So it is a combination of IP address and key. So without IP address,
Okay.
if you give key, what will be happening? Nothing. You are
Unable to log
without
in.
any. Yeah. EC2-user. Wait. EC2-user. The username is. Good. You logged in, guys. Now, same guys. Maybe if it is remote Windows server, how do we log in? Generally, we use TeamViewer, AnyDesk. What I can say? AnyDesk, TeamViewer, RDP. Same. Now I'm using Putty session. Putty is for Linux boxes, guys. If your Linux box is not there in front of you, okay, so somewhere, maybe your own data center or else in AWS data center. Now my server is there in AWS data center, not in your laptop. So how to connect? Over the network you have to connect. So already in my Linux box, SSH will be there, guys. Simply in my Windows, now I installed the SSH application, that Putty application. Now I connected by using my Putty. Okay. Now can you do who am I command? Who am I? Single command. Run. Yeah, maybe this is also working. See, guys, who am I will show you what is your username. Okay, even without space also you can give. Who am I? Can you do PWD? Present working directory. PWD stands for present working directory, in which I will explain the directory structure, guys. Here the directories will be little different when compared to Windows. Okay, so but usage is same, guys. Only folder names will be different. I hope everybody knows what is the difference between file and folder. Guys, anybody doesn't know that? What is file, what is folder? File is nothing but file with data, some like it has the data, it contains the data. Folder means again inside a folder I can have the folders and files. Here also we have files and folders, but different name. No C drive, no D drive, no E drive. Some slash folders will be there. I'll explain about them, don't worry. You can do ls command to see what is there in a current folder. Okay, everything is command only, guys. Everything is command only here. No, like again graphical screen, no double clicks, no right clicks. Nothing will work here. To get anything, you have to type the command. You have to remember the commands here. Okay, but how Windows works? In the same way Linux works. Okay, go ahead. So here, guys, so can you run this command? Sudo space -i. Sudo sudo space -i space space. You're missing space. Enter. So can you run who am I now? I will tell you what is this. So what is the username it is showing? Now root. Can you do PWD now? PWD stands for present working directory. And how to check what are there in that current folder? ls command. ls will show you list of files and folders. Nothing is there as of now. Okay. Now let me take control. I will tell you guys. I will show you what are these users and maybe what type of folders we have in our Linux box and all. I will explain now. Just a minute. Let me take control now. Types of users. So guys, there are two types of users in Linux box, any Linux. Okay, there are two types of users in a Linux box, guys. So normal user and admin. Admin is root, guys. Only one user. Only one user will be there, guys. Root user, ROOT. That is a username. What is the difference between these normal users and admin user, root user? So root user also called as super user, guys. Okay. So what is the difference between this root user and normal user? So very simple, guys. For security purpose, what they did means they created one user called root and they given superpowers to this root user. He can do anything in the system, guys. Anything in the sense he can install applications, he can uninstall, he can start the application, he can stop the application, he can remove anything, guys. He don't have any restrictions in the system, this root user. But whereas normal user, they have very limited access, guys. They cannot install new applications. So example, they cannot stop the application, they cannot do the system configuration changes, application changes, system changes, they cannot do anything. Wherever they have permission, only they can do those things. So everything root only will do, guys. Root will take care of system configurations, application installations, application maybe uninstalls. Okay, so root only will give the access to other users. But root access, who will get root access? Not everybody. Okay, in a system, there might be so many user. Amar user might be there, Pradeep user, Venkat user will be there. I mean, you can create, but everybody is normal user only. We will provide root access to only admins, guys. Example, you are from admin team, DevOps admin, you are from. So Amar and Pradeep are from DevOps team. So we will give root access to these two users. Example, Venkat is from development team. We don't give root access to Venkat, guys. So why like that? Why we are not giving root access to everybody? Why? Because security purpose. If everybody has root access, if everybody has full access to your server, anybody can do anything. Maybe they can install some applications, third party, which is not maybe based on my standards. I should not install maybe third party applications. Only from official website I have to install. Because of some usage, he installed, maybe he may install some third party application from maybe non-official website. Okay, that is the reason. Root access we will provide only to admins. Anything Venkat needs, anything means related to application maybe changes, or else maybe system changes, or he need any application, when compulsory he should reach out Amar or Pradeep user over the mail or over the call. Hey Amar, I need so and so application. So immediately I will log in with I will log into the same system with Amar user. Then with the root powers, with so I can switch to root user because Amar already may have the root access. I will switch to root user and I will perform the actions. Now, just now I showed you guys, actually what is the default user I logged in with? EC2-user is the default user. I cannot log in with any other user initially. Guys, cannot log in with other users initially. So guys, if it is a brand new system, only you will get two users. One is EC2-user, one more is root user. By default, these two users you will get in your system. If it is a brand new system, no other user. So first you have to log in with this user. And as I told, this is a normal user only, guys. Already they given root access to EC2-user. So I switched. What is the command I used, guys? Did you remember? Just now I showed you sudo -a command. By running this command, I can switch to root user, guys. But everybody cannot run this command. They will get permission denied or no authorization, something like that, guys. There is a procedure. How to provide sudo access means, guys, sudo is a special access. Okay, to get into maybe to get the root authorization, we need this sudo access. We can provide sudo access to any user, guys. Generally, only for admins will provide the sudo access. How to provide, we'll see later. Right now, it's out of matter. But already this EC2 user has the root access, guys. He can run this command. So now he's a root user. He can do anything in the system now, guys. He has full rights now into the system. So by default, every user is a normal user only, guys. Okay. So they can switch to root user if they have the authorization. Only admin will get the authorization by default, like DevOps admin or system admin or team leads or management. Only they will get the root access, guys, not everybody. Generally for developers or maybe application guys, we don't give the root access because of the security concerns. If everybody has full access, what will happen? They can do anything in the system. They may corrupt the system. That is the reason we don't provide root access to them. Even they cannot run this command also. If they run also, it will throw an error. Authorized, no authorization, you are not authorized person. Something like that, they will get error. Because there is a procedure. With that procedure, we have to give the root access to them, sudo access to them. Whoever has that access, then they only can run this command. Others cannot run this command. Okay. So this is about types of users. So any doubts here, guys? Did you understand what is normal user? What is super user? Did you understand? Any doubts here?
No, Amar, no doubt.
Let me show you some sample example for that. So Vivek, please go ahead.
Yes, Amar.
Yeah. Here, exit from root user, exit command. Again, you will go back to that EC2. You came from EC2 user, right? Exit.
Yes.
Yeah. Now see, again, I'm a EC2 user. Now I'm a normal user. Can you try to create a new user? Example, user add. User add command is to create a new user, guys. I will show that. I'll explain clearly later. Just as of now, just run this command. Space, some username. Example, Amar user I want to create. Amar joined newly today. You cannot run this command. Enter. See, guys, he is unable to create a user because he's a normal user now.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's switch to root user. Sudo -a. Now run the same command. User add Amar. You cannot use up arrow because this is completely different user. See, guys. Now I can create that Amar because I am a root user now. I have full rights in a system. I can do anything in the system, guys. Root user can do anything in the system. Only admins will have that sudo. There are multiple ways. Either I can have root password to switch to root user, but generally we don't provide root password. We'll provide sudo access only for every user. With that only, he has to log in. Then he has to perform the actions. Admins also compulsory. First, Amar should log in with Amar user. Then he should switch to root to perform the actions. So how to log in with Amar, we'll see later. Right now you cannot log in, guys. So AWS by default they disable that setting. Only EC2 users should log in initially. Later we'll change that settings. Maybe, but still you have to understand some basic stuff Linux. Then only you can do that. Right now I don't want to show that how to enable that setting. Now clear the screen. Clear is the command to clear the screen. So next thing, again I'm taking back, guys, control. So I want to, so I will explain the directory structure now. What are the different directories available? If I ask you, what are the different directories available in Windows? What do you say? What is C drive, guys?
It is a drive where all the installed programs and default programs were stored
Exactly.
locally.
Exactly. Your OS related.
Yeah.
Your OS related, application related, configuration file, settings, libraries, right? Everything available there only. So can we store our movies in C drive? Generally, do we store?
Yes, we can, but we can.
Okay.
Actually, when we format it, all the data will be gone.
Exactly, you're right. So that is the reason. There is a purpose. C drive purpose is only to store your OS data, not your documents, movies, songs. You can store it, but again, your system performance might be degraded. There won't be any consistency if you store like that. We'll use different folders for different purposes. Same here also, we do have different folders, guys. Everybody, you should know these folders. There is no C drive in Linux. So like this, so many folders available, guys. Okay. So here out of it, this is main folder. This is, you can call it as a base folder, similar to C drive, guys. Under this only, you can see all these folders. Your entire Linux starts from slash only. How C drive has all the maybe data and all, OS data and all. Okay. So here slash is the main folder. Under this is called as forward slash forward slash. This is the directory name, guys. This is your directory name. Slash is nothing but. So under that you can see all these folders. So how can we refer now? You can refer like slash root while referring this directory. Slash home, slash etc, slash tmp, slash boot, slash bin, slash sbin, slash dev, slash usr, slash var, slash mnt. Like this I can refer, guys, because they are in that they are in slash folder, guys. This means you are under slash root. Sorry, this means this root folder is there under slash. That is what this meaning. Slash home means you are under slash, and under slash home is the folder. This is what that meaning, guys. No space, guys. No space in between. That means under slash folder, root folder is there. Again, same. Under slash folder, home folder is there. If it is a first level, maybe example, under root some test folder is there. Now how to refer? You should not say slash test, this one, guys. You should not say slash test for this folder. So why? Because what you are saying here, you are saying that under slash test is there. That is what you are saying. But where is test folder, guys? Where is test? Example I'm showing. Where is test folder here? Guys, Is it
After
under
MS
slash or under root? Under root. So I should say like this, guys. To refer this folder, okay, if someone asks you where is this folder, I should say like this. This is wrong, guys. This is wrong. Okay, this is correct. This is correct, guys. Okay, why? Because your first under slash root folder is there, under root test folder is there. You have to refer like this. If someone asks you where is my test folder, or else to go to this folder, you have to use like this. And in Windows, how do you open the folders? Example, I want to go to D drive. What is your approach? Guys, I want to go to my computer, double click, then go to D drive, double click, and under that, whatever the folder, again double click, right? But here, no double clicks. CD is the command, guys. To open any folder, change directory. From one folder to another folder, you can go like this. You can open like this, guys. CD means change directory. If anybody asks you, or you want to go to some folder, means you should go like this. CD and that folder name like this. If you don't know maybe where exactly, so something like this, your folder names and all, simply you can do like this also, guys. CD, first go to slash root. You know that under slash root, I know my folder is there, but you don't know this folder name or exact folder structure. First go like this and go like this. This is also correct only, guys. Now the example, I'm in Hyderabad, so I no need to say again Hyderabad address. Simple high-tech city address I want to say. You and me both are in Hyderabad only. I no need to say Hyderabad, right? Directly I will say high-tech city. Where are you staying? I'm staying in high-tech city. I will say like that. So same, see here, already you are in slash root. You no need to say again slash root slash test here. Already you are in slash root. Example, you are somewhere. You are in etc folder. Now you want to go to this folder. Then that case you have to give like this. Full path. One by one also you can go. Otherwise, cd slash root. So that means you are under this folder now. Now directly you can do cd test. This also correct. This also correct, guys. Whatever you are comfortable with, you can go anyway. Okay. So cd means change directory, and your folder structure will be like this. Okay, let me ask you one more question. Example, guys, here under tmp one more folder called st1 is there. Okay, so what should I refer, guys, this folder now? How can I refer this folder? Is it slash test1?
No.
cd slash tmp slash test1.
Exactly. I should refer like this, cd slash tmp slash test1, like this. This is correct. cd slash tmp slash test1, like this I have to refer. Or else you can go like this also. First go to tmp folder, then cd test1. This also correct only. Okay, now let me show you that structure. Go ahead, Vivek, take the control.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Yeah.
Can you do pwd? So where are you currently?
Yeah, I'm in the root user.
Okay, root user, okay, but directory. pwd will show directory name. Which directory you are in?
Normal.
Slash root. You
Okay.
are in a slash root directory now. That means /root is the folder. Under that you are there currently. So guys, in general Windows, if you go to any folder, it will show directly there which folder you are in. But here you have to do pwd. Pwd will show you in which directory you are there. Again, in Windows, if you go some folder, if you open some folder, directly you can see the file names. But here you cannot see file name or folder name directly. ls command you have to run. ls.
Sir,
ls
what
command
is the
will
full
show
form?
you
Sir, what
which
is the
one?
full form PWD?
Present working
PWD.
directory.
Present working directory.
Okay, okay.
But every time full form may not be there. Okay, it depends. Every time it may not be there. PWD stands for present working directory. ls stands
Okay,
for list. Okay, enter. It will show you what is there under /root. I mean your current folder. So nothing is there as of now. So now I want to go to, as I told, first folder, /folder, cd space / your folder name. Now do pwd. It will show you what is your current folder. Where am I currently now? I'm in / folder. Do ls now. ls will show you list of files and folders. See guys, the folders which I given, right? All the folders are available. Now I want to go to tmp folder. How can I go, guys? Should I give /tmp or just tmp? Hello guys.
Just TMP.
Last
Yeah,
TMP.
both works. /tmp also works. Just cd tmp also works, guys, because you're already in tmp. Sorry, /. Now do pwd and do ls. You're in tmp folder now. So what is tmp? I will explain. Just wait for some time. So tmp is a temporary directory, guys. Actually, I should not use this tmp folder for permanent file. Maybe important files and all, I should not store in tmp file. I hope you know in Windows also tmp folder will be there. What is the purpose of tmp folder in Windows, guys?
To store our files temporarily.
Exactly, same concept here also. So cookies will be there, guys. In Windows, if you see your browsing history, your temporary files will be stored in tmp folder. I don't know the exact path of Windows. Same here also tmp folder /tmp under /tmp folder is there. Your system will use this folder, guys, for to store the temporary files. Even you can use it for temporary purpose. Why? Because why I'm saying temporarily means your system will clean this folder every day. I mean, last 30 days files will be deleted automatically. That is the reason you should not use this folder for any purpose. Temporarily you can use it. Okay, anybody can open this folder. Normal user also. If Amar logged in, Amar also can come to this folder. This is common, guys. All the folders are common only, except home directory. I will tell you what is home directory. Now I want to go to /root folder. Guys, can I use /root or just root? Which one works? Can I use cd root, guys? I cannot. cd root I cannot use. Why? Because you are not in /. Compulsory you should give. Now I want to go to etc folder. What should I do? cd /etc compulsory. I cannot use. No, not like that. Not like that. cd /etc. Enter. I will explain these folders, guys. Don't worry. Now cd /. So don't execute just when I say enter now. So guys, my question is, can I use? I want to go to boot directory. Okay. Should I? So it's there under / only. Should I use /boot or just boot? Which one works? Does it work? cd space boot. Can you run? Don't execute. Just type it. Vivek. cd boot. Don't execute. Just type it. cd space boot. Guys, does it work?
No.
It works because you are in a slash folder. Boot folder is there in slash. It works. Enter now. See guys. Now can you do cd space root? Does it work? cd space root. Can you run it? Don't run. Don't just type it.
Yes.
cd space root. Does it work?
No.
No.
No. You are in slash boot folder now. So guys, always remember, if you don't give the full path, I mean the parent directory information, it will take the current folder as the parent. It will try to search this root folder in boot folder. Do we have root? Can you do ls? Do we have boot here? I mean root folder here. You cannot do cd root, guys. So what will happen if you give without any prefix? Just if you give folder name, it will take current folder. In current folder itself, it will search it, guys. It won't work out. You cannot give cd root now. You have to give cd slash root compulsory. Can you go to slash folder now? cd slash. cd slash. cd slash. Okay. Now can I give cd root, guys? Does it work? cd tmp. Wait. Is it correct or not, guys? It or not? Hello?
Correct.
Yes, we can go. Because you are there in a current folder, slash folder. So you no need to give slash root. Both works. Slash root also works. cd root also works. Because you are in a slash folder. Correct folder only. Got it now, guys? Did you understand the concept? Like how these folders are working? Any doubts here, guys? Now, did you understand the path? How I have to go to how to change from one directory to another directory? Any doubts here?
No.
Yeah, good. If you have any questions, you have to ask me, guys.
Sir, again, discuss about CD root.
I didn't get to come again.
Sir, please discuss again about CD root.
Okay, simple. Let me show you. Maybe I'm taking control here. Okay, let me ask you in Windows part. Okay, so maybe I'll compare with Windows. Assume that you are in C drive now. Okay. So in D drive, you have a movies folder. Example, in C drive, I'm searching for movies directory. But where is your D drive? Sorry, where is your movies folder? As I told, in D drive. If you search movies in C drive, does it work?
No.
No, right?
No.
Compulsory.
No.
I have to go to D drive. There only I have to search for movies directory. Then only it works. Yes or no? Same concept here also. Example, under slash folder, I have all these folders. Okay. Now I'm under slash tmp folder inside this folder. Okay. So if I give, so my pwd showing now slash tmp. That means I'm under this folder. If I do cd root, what does that mean? I'm not giving any prefix here. So where it will check this folder name in this current folder only. Yes or no? So when I try to do cd space some folder name, always it will check in current folder only. In current folder, root folder is there means it will go. If this root folder not there, it will simply throw an error. Root folder not there, no such directory. But where is this root folder? Under slash. So you have to give cd slash root. You are clearly saying prefix. Under slash, please go to root folder. If you don't give this prefix, what will happen? will check in this current folder only. That's the reason it's throwing an error. So example, you're
Okay.
under slash. You're under slash now. This time this works. Why? Because already you are in slash. So if I do cd root, it will check in current folder. What is the current folder? Slash only. Under slash we have root folder. So it works. You no need to give prefix in this case. Because already you are in a current folder, slash folder only. So in slash folder only, you are searching for root folder. So it works. Now, did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Now, as I told, what is slash tmp folder? It's a temporary folder. You can do temporarily anything here. Anybody can use this temporary folder. Amar also, Pradeep also, Harsh also, whoever has access to your server, you can access this folder. You can do anything here in this folder. Now, next thing is slash boot. Okay, in Windows, C drive program files. What is program files, guys? In Windows? Guys, Windows
Where
C
all the
drive.
where all the program installed programs and pre-installed programs will be present along with the base.
Exactly. Your OS programs also will be there. Here, bootable files will be there, guys. Same program files similar to that folder. Kernel files, I can say. What is kernel, guys? Do you know what is kernel? Basically, OS is nothing but that main program file, guys. Kernel programming file. It will be there in under program files. Because of that only, you are able to do anything in a system. You are able to log in. You are able to perform actions like creating files, installing applications. You are giving instructions, user, and your system kernel file only is responding for that, guys. Your kernel only responding to you. That main program file responding to you every time. Okay, so basically here under slash boot, you can find out all the bootable files, your system bootable files. Because of that only your system, you are able to log into that system. You are able to perform your action. So when I do ls command, who is replying you? Your kernel only, guys. Your kernel replying you with output. When I do pwd, who is responding to you? Again, how you are getting the output? Your kernel only, guys. That kernel files will be available here. Okay, if you go to cd slash boot, you can see those program files. Can you do it? Vivek, cd, I'm giving present role to you. Yeah, I given. cd slash boot. So do pwd. Just pwd is verification purpose, guys. Where are you? Which directory you are in? Present working directory. Do ls now. So see that green color. VM Linux is your bootable file, guys. VM Linux. That is your file.
Sir,
Kernel
boot
file.
is
That is the
also.
main.
Sir, boot is also in a directory.
Yes. Slash. That is the reason you are able to do cd. cd
Okay, sir.
means directory. Slash boot. There are so many directories. So boot is also one directory. Slash boot. Under slash, there is a folder called boot. Now you are under that slash boot. Okay. See, bootable files. Like this, guys, there are so many files and folders available. Okay, so again, we'll discuss about 2 or 3 more folders tomorrow. And thereafter, I will show how to create files, folders, and all in tomorrow class. I think it's enough for today. Okay, so we'll make it again tomorrow, same time, 8:30 a.m. IST. Okay, guys, any other doubts you have?
Yes, sir.
So, sir, do we use the same link or what?
Same link. Until next update, same link only, guys.
Okay,
There is
okay.
no change until next update. If you have any updates, we definitely will send it in our WhatsApp group. And here, as I told, everybody note down my number. Whoever joined
Yes,
newly
yes.
today, ping me guys after the class. This is my number. So let me show you. This is my number.
Yes.
Ping me on this number 720-456-9970.
Okay, Amar sir, I have one query, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Yes, sir. As I've checked, our syllabus checked, sir. Shape and or Terraform is not there. So which tool will be alternative for that, sir?
Yeah, basically Terraform I'm not covering here. Maybe I may have to think it. So as of now, we are using Ansible, but it's not completely alternative for Terraform. But somehow we can manage Terraform like configurations also with Ansible, but not complete competitive for that. So I'm not only that one, like I have to add it. As of now, it's not there in my. So why? Because actually, guys, DevOps is a huge so there are a number of topics are there, tools are there. Okay, so my intention is whatever the topics I am covering are most commonly used topics. Okay, and I want to cover these topics like full-fledged topics. I don't want to reduce the topics or maybe like add more number of tools but less topics. It doesn't work out, guys. It's a waste of your time. Like many institutes, what they will do, they will add a huge topics like every tool in the course content. So like Chef, Puppet, Terraform, Cloud Formation, so all the Vagrant, they will add all the tools in a course content. But again, course content they will complete within 3 months only. So how they will be able to complete it? Just it's for only to attract the people, guys. Definitely we need
Yeah,
other
yeah,
tools
sir.
also. But half of knowledge, what you will get? Right? Nothing. You cannot like grab the market, maybe opportunities like that. So I don't want to do that, guys. That is the reason I'm adding very important commonly used tools only. Okay. Yeah. Maybe if you have any further more questions, you can ping me privately
Yeah,
on this
okay, sir.
number.
Okay.
We'll discuss.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay then, guys. We'll meet again tomorrow, same time. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, man, thank you.